In this video, I will guide you how you can activate your Lloyds Bank debit card. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply start by opening up your Lloyds Bank application. So for security reasons, I cannot screen record the application, but what you need to do is to simply open up and log into your account. Then, as you can see on the main website of Lloyds Bank, you can activate your credit card quickly and securely in our app. The main card holder must activate any additional cards. They can do this online. Once your card is activated, you can use it straight away. Now, for security reasons, you will need to make a chip and PIN transaction with your new card before you can start using contactless payments. Now, this is the official website of Lloyds, as you can see. So you can simply log into your account and you will have the option to activate your debit card into your Lloyds Bank official application. You can download them from App Store or Play Store, and that's how you can activate your Lloyds Bank debit card.